Okay, so on a panel like this, we're not seeing a main breaker for this panel. And the reason is this is going to be a split bus panel and found on older homes. So there is stuff that needs to be done, twist out covers, identification, being able to secure that a little bit more easily. But I wanted to go ahead and explain how this split bus system works. So our electric is coming in, overhead conductors coming down to the back bus bar of this top section. That back bus bar then transfers the electricity to our breakers. When that electricity hits this breaker here, it's hitting these conductors, wires, and going over to these lugs, and that's what connects the top bus down to the bottom general lighting and receptacles bus is this breaker here. So 50 amp breaker is providing our power to this lower section here. Now this is acceptable as long as we don't have any more than 6 throws or 6 hand movements in order to turn off all the power to the home. In this case, we do have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes you will see single pole breakers up here for a total of 6. And as long as there's 6 or less, it's okay. So you determine the amperage of the system by the gauge of the wire coming in, not the breaker for here, because we want to know the total amperage. And we only figure that out by the conductor coming down. And this is a split bus system. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Again, main breaker coming down on those conductors. And the upper bus, you can actually kind of just see that split right there. So the upper bus and the lower bus are not connected. Okay, upper bus, lower bus not connected, all connected to this one here. That's why it's called a split bus system, and no main breaker, but this is compliant having only 4 throws.